Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In today's video, I'm going to give you the top winning products that you can start selling right now on your Shopify Dropshipping store or e-commerce website in general. If you want to learn more about this, stay with me and stick with me in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Number one product that you can start selling now is this product. It's called Multifunction Spot. This is a winning product because it simplifies work. As you can see here, this product is multifunction. It can be used as a spoon, also it can be used as an opener and other related activities. So this is a winning product because there are various reasons that I'm going to show you soon. So let us consider one of the issue here is that the product has got so many orders in the past few days. This means that majority are interested with this kind of product. And if you want to sell well this kind of product, target those who are dealing with camping activities. If you target those who are dealing with the camping activities, you are going to explode sales on your store. Another, you can see it here that the price is very cheap. As you can see here, it's for the time being it costs only $1.2 US, and I can recommend for this product you can sell up to $7 to $9 US, depending on your location and other related costs. So another good thing about this product that buyers that have bought this product have rated 4.8, meaning out of 5, meaning that majority who have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So you don't have to worry anything because buyers, more than 1,000 buyers who have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. Now, if you want to save your money and if you want to get one tool that can solve different problems, you can buy this product. If you are dealing with camping activities and other related activities, this is a winning product to start selling. So you can target those who are dealing with camping activities. Number two product that you can start selling on your store is this product. It's called garden pruner or chopper, as you can see it here. If you want to get many sales, target those who are dealing with the gardening. As you can see it here. Also, you can sell this product worldwide. And if you are located in the United States, the good news that you can, this seller offers, provides shipping using ePact. What does it mean? This means that if you are in the United States, you can get this product within 10 to 14 days. And I've seen that most of the buyers are ready to tolerate up to 14 or 2 weeks, 10 to 14, 2 weeks. Your customers are willing to tolerate. So you can drop ship this product wherever you are in the world. But if you are in the United States, you have an added advantage. Another good thing about this product is that the rating also is good. Majority of bought this product have rated 4.8, meaning that majority have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you try to drop ship or sell this product on your store, you don't have to worry about the quality of this product because the buyers have already confirmed that the product is good, so you don't have to worry anything. So if you've been looking for a winning product, this also is a winning product that you can start selling right now on your store. Another important product to sell is this product. It's called women hair bands, as you can see it here. This also is a winning product. Let me show you some of the evidence. As you can see here, there are so many buyers who have already bought this product in the past few days, as you can see it here. And the rating is very good, as you can see. Majority who have bought this product have rated 4.9. What does it mean? This means that almost all customers who have bought this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So it means that this product is unique. They can't get the same product in their neighboring stores or their local stores. That's why they are willing to buy online. So among of those who have bought this product, we can know that there are repetitive customers because they got a good experience. So usually customers, when they get a good product, they come to buy for another time. So because the products is found in different colors, so it's probably there are repetitive customers. So also if you sell this kind of product, you are going to get repetitive customers. What you need is to sell different colors because majority of the customers have already given us the clues that the product is good and delivers value to the buyer. So you don't have to worry about the quality of the product, and you don't have to worry about anything about customers because the data here shows that my customers have been satisfied with the quality of this kind of product. So you may tell me, why would they buy this kind of product online and not in their neighboring stores or in the local stores? Let me tell you, there is a exciting experience when you buy things online, especially when you get good product. So majority are willing to buy online and not to the local stores. Buying online is a new experience and it creates excitement to the buyer. So majority now, another good product that you can start selling in this product is called Lunch Box. This also is a winning product. As you can see, there are so many people who have bought this product in the past few days. There are more than 6,000 orders in the past few months. So if also you sell this product on your store, you are going to explode sales because this data shows that majority are in need of this product because it simplifies and adds value to their lives. So if you are looking for a winning product, start selling also this kind of product. The data here tells us it all that majority are in need of this product and are satisfied with the quality of this product. As you can see here, the rating. The rating is 4.9 out of 5. What does it mean? This means that majority have been satisfied with the quality of this product. Also, if you sell this product on your store, you are going to explode sales on your store. The best way is to target women. The buyers of this kind of products usually are women. So if you use Facebook ads, target women. And also you can sell well this kind of product if you display this kind of product on Pinterest. Pinterest also is a good site to get organic traffic. But if you have some money to pay, you can use Instagram influencers. The best way to get a fast sales on your store is to use Instagram influencers. So try to sell this kind of product using Instagram influencers. If you are an expert on Facebook ads, you can also use Facebook ads and target women. Also, you can use Pinterest, where it's very easy to get organic traffic. So if you have been looking for a winning product to sell this season, sell this product. You are going to explode sales on your store, as you can see here. Also, the price is only 4.7 at the moment, and I can recommend to sell from 12 to 15 US dollars. Now, the pricing will depend on your location, but I can recommend to price this product from 12 US dollars to 15 US dollars. A good product to start selling in this product is called Pyramid Backware, as you can see it here. This product also is a winning product, as you can see here. Majority of bought this product also have rated 4.9, meaning that have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So if you start selling on your store also, you are going to explode sales on your store, because you don't have to worry about the quality, because majority of worried about this product have been satisfied with the quality of this product. So another good thing is that the price is only 4.8 US dollars, and the seller ships all over the world. And if you are located in the United States, the seller provides a very good shipping option. He uses e-packed This means that if you ship to United States, the customers will get within 10 to 14 days. And as you can see here, there are so many orders in the past few days. So also, if you start selling this product on your store, you are going to explode sales. Also, it is found, the product is found in different colors. As you can see, there is black, there is red, and other colors. So you can test different colors, but the need is out there. The issue is to test the different colors.